Linking your bank to YNAB You Need a Budget can help you manage your finances more effectively by automatically importing transactions. Follow these steps to set up the connection. Step 1. Create a login to your YNAB account. Visit the YNAB website or open the YNAB app. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. If you are new to YNAB, create an account by following the on-screen instructions. Step 2. Navigate to the account section. Once logged in, go to the accounts section of the app or website. This is typically found in the main menu. Here, you will see options to add or manage your bank accounts. Step 3. Add a new account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Search for your bank. In the search bar, type the name of your bank. YNAB will display a list of banks. Select your bank from the list. If your bank is not listed, you may need to check if it supports YNAB integration. Step 5. Enter your bank credentials. Follow the prompts to enter your online banking credentials. This may include your username and password. Ensure that you are using secure and trusted internet connections while entering this information. Once completed, YNAB will begin importing your transactions. After completing these steps, your bank account will be linked to YNAB, allowing for easier tracking of your finances. Regularly check for new transactions and updates to keep your budget accurate.